Guys, this is what I got. So before I think about purchasing the combo, I decided just to get this for now. And if I do like it and something that is gonna be excited about, then I'm gonna get the combo. So right now I'm just gonna get this and I'm just gonna show you guys what's in the box. Like, if you are gonna think about getting this, you wanna make sure, you know, wash it all up and before you do anything. So let's go ahead and look what's inside of this Mavic Air 2 and I'll give you guys my thought of it. And so you can see it's a little bit wet, but rather be clean than sorry. So, wow, look at that. It's already on. That's interesting. Once I opened it, that thing started beeping already. So it's pretty solid. It's a solid piece. Surprised. And I guess you can just go ahead and take this off here. So it's a solid piece. And that's the camera. Just remind me of Osmo Pocket, but it's a little bit bigger than Osmo Pocket. Pretty interesting. But the quality is pretty decent. So you got the sensors, bottom light sensors on here. And we'll see what's in here. Get the controller. It's very interesting. I'm not really used to this controller, but we're gonna go ahead and see. Because the other ones you can just put the Mavic. I'm sorry, for the Mavic Pros and the Air and also the Mini and the Spark. I mean, it's just easy, portable, but hey, you know. And the instruction, of course. And I think this is all the batteries and the hub charging. And then you get all this. And you get extra propellers. Oh, got extra propellers. And of course the extra joysticks. But every time it's getting interesting how DJI always come out with this new drones. And of course this one right here, if you have Osmo Pocket or Osmo Action, it's the way to go. But the quality, I would say, feels like the Osmo Action, if you do have that. And then we're gonna go ahead, and I don't know why the lights is on. Hopefully the battery's not dead. But we'll see. Maybe it need to be charged. So, and you can see here, this is the Mavic Mini. And you can see it won't fit. It's a little bit bigger, but quality wise, just interesting. And here you go. And the controller, of course, is just a new thing. But we're gonna go and see what's all about. And I don't know what's... So this is the gimbal. And I don't know where's this one at. Oh, for the phone. Interesting. So let's go ahead and see what this guy's all about. Anyway, this is my thought of this mini. I'm sorry, I said mini. So many drones now. I'm just surprised with how tiny it is. And yeah, of course, it doesn't have side obstacle avoidance, but we'll see what this thing can do. I'm okay with it. I mean, if you flown the Mavic Mini, you know, you don't really need obstacle avoidance, but this one right here has it. But we're gonna go ahead and see what's this all about. But the quality, not bad. The battery is pretty a little bit tiny. You know, if you can, yeah. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I can't wait to put all this thing together and go from here.